Hi everyone, I'm Blake from OCM, and we've got a really cool thing to show you today. I'm going to demonstrate for you Newton's first law of motion. Newton's first law of motion states that an object at rest will stay at rest unless acted upon by an outside force, and an object in motion will stay in motion unless acted upon, of course, by an outside force. Take this blue domino, for instance. It is at rest. It is not moving, and it will stay that way unless acted upon by an outside force. Since we're inside OCM, I'm going to use my index finger and apply some outside force. And it fell over. Now, an object in motion will stay in motion unless acted upon by an outside force. And to demonstrate that, what we're going to do is, instead of just using this blue domino, we're going to use this yellow domino as well. And when I exert force from my finger, it will transfer to the blue domino, but then when the blue domino hits the yellow domino, that force will transfer to the yellow domino. And you've got a very small chain reaction. All right, that chain reaction was only 2 dominoes, but let's do a chain reaction with a whole line of dominoes. Watch this. That force that I applied from just my finger for just a little bit transferred through all these dominoes until they couldn't go anymore. Now, that was pretty cool, but we've got something else that's really cool, a bigger chain reaction. Follow me. We're here with a really cool chain reaction. Just like I showed you before, we're still going to apply Newton's first law of motion, but this time with a lot more dominoes. I'm just going to apply a little bit of force from my finger, and that force is going to transfer through all these dominoes, and hopefully we can knock them all down. We're going to do a countdown. Are you ready? Great! 3, 2, 1, go! Wasn't that a cool chain reaction? I thought so too. You can do chain reactions using other things as well. And thanks for coming to play with us here at OCM.